Welcome to GradeUp. Guys, my name is Ashish Tiwari and now we are going to talk about our new CAT 2020 course. So, as you might be aware that the tentative exam for CAT 2020 is 29th November. That is basically last Sunday of November. The number of days left 139. And if we talk about the pattern of the exam, so a total of 100 questions are asked. Maximum marks are 300. Now, for every, if we talk about now regarding the marking scheme of the exam, for every correct answer, 3 marks are given. For every wrong answer in multiple choice question, 1 mark is deducted. So there are basically two types of questions. One is multiple choice question. The other one is theta question. So, theta means type in the answer. Theta means type in the answer. So if you select wrong answer option in multiple choice question, 1 mark is deducted. And if you put wrong value in these theta type question, then no mark is deducted. For any unattempted question, again no negative marking. So 1 mark is deducted for each wrong answer, that is the negative marking, and this is only for MCQs, multiple choice questions only. For theta question, no negative marking. Duration of the exam is 3 hours and 1 hour for each section. Then what all sections are there? Guys, the first section is verbal ability and reading comprehension. A total of 34 questions are asked. Total time allocated is 1 hour. Second section is DI and logical reasoning. A total of 32 questions are asked from it. And time allocated is again 1 hour. Then we have quantitative aptitude. 34 questions are asked from it. Again, time allocated 1 hour. So if we talk about these sections in detail as with reference to our CAT 2019 exam, in a VARC section, and out of 34 questions, 24 questions were from reading comprehension, be it morning slot or afternoon slot. 5 sets of reading comprehension were given and total of 24 questions. Out of the remaining 10 questions of verbal ability, mainly the questions were from parajumbles, parasummary. And guys, 1 or 2 questions also from, let's say, odd one out, where let's say 4 or 5 statements are given, right? Now, let's say 5 statements are given. The 4, when arranged in a sequence, form a paragraph. You need to identify one statement which does not fit into that paragraph. Those kind of questions. Okay. So, in a sense, you can see the entire section of VARC is based on comprehension only. Now, regarding the second section, that is DI and LR, again, out of overall 32 questions, 16 questions from DI and 16 questions from LR. So basically, they asked 8 sets and each set had 4 questions. Now from DI, they asked 4 sets and from logical reasoning, they asked 4 sets. In quant, out of 34 questions, 11 questions were theta type. In verbal ability, 7 questions were theta type. No question theta type or no question of this theta type from RC, right? And overall 8 questions of theta type that were distributed equally, DI and LR. Prepare to get 99 plus percentile with topper turn mentor. Right. So we have launched our new batch, that is Core 99 Plus, a comprehensive course for CAT 2020, 150 plus live classes with interactive quizzes, 45 plus mock test for CAT and other exams. CAT, NMAT, ZAT, SNAP, TISNET, Maharashtra CET, all of these other exams. 15 plus sectional test. Okay. Topic quizzes and PDFs for revision. So basically what happens whenever we conduct a class, suppose we conducted a class for time and work part 1. Now what we will do, at the end of the day, you will get the quiz based on that class. You will get the quiz. So please attempt that quiz on the same day, or you can attempt it after some time as well, but it is recommended that you do it on the same day. But if you have missed the class, you can always watch the recording. 8,000 plus practice questions will be discussed. And this batch also includes a comprehensive course for GD, VAT and PI. It is included in this batch. And guys, this is our third batch. From the first 2 batches, we have got really good response. Right, so students have rated us really high in our batch number 1 and batch number 2. And if we talk about our faculty members, so Jatin sir, Quant DI and LR expert, 15 plus experience of teaching for CAT and GMAT, and he has scored 99.9 plus percentile in QA, right, CAT on multiple occasions. Vikas sir, again 15 plus experience of teaching for CAT and GMAT, 99.9 plus percentile scorer on CAT on multiple occasions. Now that's we 99.9 plus percentile in QA and DILR section in CAT on multiple occasions, and I have completed my MBA from MDI Gurgaon. Vijay sir, Quant VRC expert, 15 plus experience in teaching for CAT, 99.9 plus percentile in QA VRC, again on multiple occasions. Pranav, an FMS alumni, 99.9 plus percentile in QA and DILR, again on multiple occasions. Right, ma'am, Savitri ma'am, and she has 26 plus years of experience in teaching English language, 99.9 plus percentile in VARC, in CAT on multiple occasions. Sanojam sir, 17 plus years of experience in teaching English language, 99.9 plus percentile in VRC in CAT on multiple occasions. So all of us have scored 99.9 plus percentile in our respective subjects many times. So this is our entire team. And guys, we are starting the demo classes of this batch from 13th July, and the regular classes will start from 20th July. Again, you can check out the details. We already talked about this. So start the free trial, guys. And apart from this entire course, we also have separate courses for, let's say, DILR only, VARC only, quantitative aptitude only. So if you want to go for only a particular section, you can choose any of these 3. And how to join? So if you are using, let's say, laptop or desktop, you can visit our official website, that is gradeup.co, choose classroom section, and from the drop down menu, click on CAT and MBA. Now click on view course option to start the course. And if you are using our Android app, so after downloading, right, Go to the classroom section, again same thing. Then you will see CAT and MBA, and then you will see all the available courses that are there, right, one after the other. You can check out their details, and once you click into this view courses, you will be able to see a lot of details. What are those details? First of all, dashboard. Now it will give you the details of that particular day. That is the list of classes, quizzes, notes of a particular day. Right. So whatever classes are there, right, whatever mock test is there, quiz for that day, all of those are available in dashboard section. Next, in study plan section, you can check the entire study plan of our course. So basically on which day, which class will be held, right? So it is our entire study plan, right? So from the starting till the end of the batch. So you can check the day-wise schedule, right? Maybe you can check the details of, let's say, what you will be studying on the same day after exactly 3 months. You can also download your study plan. Now in contents, right, you can see all the subject and topics in one place. So DILR, quantitative aptitude, the number of chapters and all that is also given, VARC, general awareness and current affairs, demo classes, all of those things. And suppose that after attending a class, let's say in the quiz or in the mock test you have any doubt. So for that, you can just simply post your doubt in doubt section. So whatever doubt you have, please post that here. We'll reply to that. And when you are posting a doubt, yes, you can type the question, or you can also upload any image. So see, there is an option of adding image. So let's say you were attempting a mock test. You had taken the screenshot of a particular question. You can upload it here, right? And we will reply to that. We'll give you the proper solution. Plus many times it happens that you miss classes, right? Then in the class you might have certain issue regarding, let's say you didn't understand the point. So if you are not attending the live class, if you miss somebody's class, right, then you can always watch it later. But in that scenario, what happens that if you have any doubt, then and there faculty member will not be able to clear it because you are not live. You are watching after some time. Again, post your doubt in doubt section. We'll reply to that. And if you want to change the batch in a sense, let's say you knew that we went to view courses, right? After that, if you want to view some other course, then on the right hand side, 3 dots will be there. On clicking those, you can see these options are there. So you can go to switch batch and you can view other batches, other courses. So start the free trial, guys. If you have any query, you can contact on this number. And GradeUp classes can be accessed via GradeUp's website on desktop or laptop, or GradeUp's Android app. So to start the free trial, click on the link given in the description below. Plus, we have also introduced Green Card. So it is in a sense test series for MBA entrance exams. So for CAT, ZAT, CMAT, MAT, TISNET, NMAT, SNAP, IFT, Maharashtra CET, the 12 months access is for only 2499 rupees. And now, guys, keep in mind, if you are enrolled in our batch, then you do not need to go for Green Card separately. Green Card is for only those candidates who are just getting test series from us. If you are in our batch, you are automatically getting all the mock tests. Okay, guys. So see you in the next class. Have a great day. Bye bye.